To turn on Google Assistant on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, you will have to open the Google Play Store, click on the search, and you have to get two things. First of all, input Google phrase, and right now check if you are using the latest Google application. If not, you will have to update to the latest version. And the second one, you have to input the assistant phrase to simply get the Google Assistant on your phone. Next, when downloading, you will have to open that Google application. If it is not opening, it means that the application is still updating. Now go to the right upper corner, go to the settings. Now go into the Gemini. And when you are here, go for that digital assistants from Google, and you have to switch for a Google Assistant and click switch. Now we have to open that Google application one more time, go to the settings, select Google Assistant. Now we have to go for general settings and make sure that you turn it on. Also, you have to go for a voice match and enable, for example, the Hey Google if you want to use this wake word. And additionally, if you want to use this if you want to use this from a lock screen without unlocking your phone, you will have to also enable this, even to get the personal result. And now it's turned on, and if you even want to get a shortcut into your Google Assistant, you will have to open the settings, scroll all the way down, or maybe not all the way down, go for the advanced features, select side button, go for long press, and get the digital assistant. Now when you just click and hold the power button, you will get your Google Assistant here. You don't even have to say Hey Google or OK Google. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.